How to space out Instagram bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Instagram application. As you launch the Instagram application, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, select on the option of Edit Profile over here. As you tap on Edit Profile, scroll down and here you can see the option of Bio, so tap on it. Now here, if you want to space out on Instagram bio, simply tap on the text over here and then tap on this return button over here at the bottom of the screen. So tap on it and here let's select another text, then return and then text, and let me just add some emoji over here and then tap on the check mark. Now go back to your profile and just refresh, and there you go. You have spaced out Instagram bio. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.